How to download and install Messenger. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can download Messenger in your mobile device. Let's go ahead and get started with our method 1. Open up your Play Store from your device, and here at the search bar, type in Messenger. As you can see that this shows install. Tap on to install, and all you have to do is wait till this application gets downloaded in your device. Now moving on to method 2, open up your Google Chrome, and at the search bar you have to type in Messenger. From here, tap on to install. Now let's wait till the application gets downloaded in our device in order to launch it. Once it's done, tap onto the Messenger. And then all you have to do is enter your phone number or email address, enter your password for your Facebook, tap on to login, and that will allow, and just like so, this is how you can launch your Messenger and download and install as well. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.